Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today we're gonna do beer brine roasted pork chops and potatoes, and we're gonna do it out here on the Rec Tec. So we'll get into this cook and it should turn out good, so stay tuned. Okay, here is our beer brined pork chops with ranch dressing and herbs on it. Let's just give it a taste. There it is. That's pretty good. It's got a lot of flavor to it. Let's try a potato. Oh no. Yeah, that's really good. So you saw how I brined it in 1 cup of water, a teaspoon, tablespoon, somewhere right in there of salt. Then I put in about a 1/2 cup of beer and a little bit of brown sugar, about a teaspoon. And that was my brine. Put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. And then you saw how I mixed the seasoning packet with the paprika and oregano and black pepper. And then put the potatoes and coated them with olive oil. Put them on the old Rec Tec Pellet grill for a 1/2 hour at 400. Got to fix my Wi-Fi connection out there. It wasn't, otherwise I would have used a probe in the meat. They came out a little bit over the 165 that I was shooting for. They're about 180. Yeah, lots of flavor to this. They came out beautiful. This is going to be a good meal. And like I always say, thank you for watching. Grill on, my friends. Till next time.